Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Eat What You Know and Know What to Eat. You are most welcome if you are new to this channel. My name is Abiola and I'm from gaspard.com. For those who always come to watch our videos, we really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So today we are starting our series of cooking beans and the way we can cook beans to reduce bloating and to enjoy beans. This is what we are going to be cooking today. This is black eyed peas. I think this is general, so this is what we are going to be cooking, and that's what is inside there. It's already soaked. So let me just quickly give you a tip of what you can do to reduce gas. You soak it overnight or you parboil for 15 minutes, then soak it for 1 hour. So here I have sweet potatoes. So this is sweet potatoes. This is bell peppers. I have onions. I have my habanero pepper and paprika and salt. So, and what we are using for this is this pot. This is what we do the job in 4 minutes. This is called instant pot. Okay, before I start talking about how many minutes, this is called instant pot, and it's a very good pot. It cooks food very fast, and this is like a pressure pot, but they package this very well than pressure pot. So this is black eyed peas, and the minutes written here is when it's dry you cook for 40 minutes to 18 minutes, but when it's soaked it's cooked for 4 to 5 minutes. I've actually tried this and it's worked. If you want to get this, I will put a link in the description box. And one more thing is that it's saute. You can saute your food before adding everything, then you just cook straight. It's a very fast pot and you will enjoy it. So you check this out on Amazon. I'll put the link. You can use our link to get this. So right there. So this is it. So we'll put this on saute. There are so many buttons here, but we're using saute for the first few minutes so that we can start our beans. So this is already writing hot. So what we do is I'll add my oil, because this recipe we are not going to be using red oil. I had my oil first, then I had my onion. So I had my onion. I sauteed that for some minutes. After sauteing for about 2 minutes, I added my bell pepper. I added my habanero pepper. Then I added the salt. I also had my paprika. Then I allow it to cook for some minutes before I start adding all other ingredients. So at this point I added the beans, which has been soaked and washed thoroughly, and I added the sweet potatoes, and I give it a good stir for some minutes. And after then I added 2 cups of water, added some salt, and I give it a good stir. So this pot, if you want to learn more, I can share more on it. I put on the lid and change the settings from saute to beans. Actually more to this pot. So after cooking you have to release the gas, or you let it release naturally. So if you want to learn more, as I said, let me. I don't want to bother you with all of those details, and in 4 minutes beans is ready. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and here you go. It's soft, it's yummy, it's sweet, it's very fast. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, give it a like, comment, and then follow this page or this channel if you are yet to, so you can get all of our videos. So this is your favorite friend telling you to eat what you know what to eat, but the choice is absolutely yours. See you in the next video. Bye.